Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this lovely Ford Kuga. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car there's half leather interior. The 18-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's cruise control and even park assist. So let's have a look around. This is a two-owner vehicle that's done less than 17,500 miles. It's got the 2-litre diesel engine that gives you 148 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.